Welcome aboard the Carnival Firenze, Carnival's Italian-themed ship sailing from Long Beach, California. But this isn't just any room tour. Today, we're diving into one of the most exclusive experiences on the ship, the Terrazza Interior cabin.
Alright, so this is the Terrazza hallway, and this is my room. Alright, so this is where you enter, and this is the Terrazza Interior. So basically we have the smallest or the lowest category room, an interior, and the best part of the ship, the Terrazza. So the interior Terrazza cabin is definitely more, it's definitely pricier than just a regular interior. You do get all the benefits of anyone else that's in the Terrazza suite area. So let's take a look at this cabin. All right.
Even though it's an interior stateroom, the Terrazza category brings a touch of luxury, calm, and seriously elevated vibes. Designed for cruisers who want privacy, serenity, and premium perks, this room offers more than just a place to sleep. It is a full experience.
So we have 3 drawers here. So this is one drawer, and it also has your laundry information in here if you want to do your laundry and get your laundry sent out. See if they have any prices on here. Yeah, they do have prices on here. And have drawer number 2, drawer number 3, and then there's one, the safe, instructions on how to use the safe. Da, 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 da. We have hangers, not a lot, but we have the wonderful Terrazza stateroom robes. And they do have Terrazza stateroom on each row, and each cabin gets 2, even though I'm solo. You also get 2 pair of slippers. And this is the second row, and it also has the Terrazza stateroom. Your life jackets are in here as well. And then you have your full body mirror. You have your above lighting. This is probably the brightest part of the room. This area has the most lighting where you're getting dressed. So there you have it. Adapter, I got this from Amazon. The link will be in the description, but you're still able to bring this on Carnival and not on Royal. So I like how I was able to put this in, and I get these 2 with it. I hit one here. There's also one on this side, and of course there's one on that side, and it was very helpful. All right, so I'm filming this to actually remind me to tell you all about the temperature. So if you look over to the far right, it actually has the numbers of the temperature. So you turn that to get the water the way you want it to be. And then this one here is to actually turn the water on. Otherwise, there's a good chance that you're going to be really cold, or that you will burn the mess out of yourself because it gets very hot.
As a Terrazza guest, you'll receive this exclusive wristband, which grants you access to the private Terrazza area on Deck 5. The wristband is basically your VIP pass to spaces other cruisers simply can't get into during the day. And this private Terrazza space features jacuzzis, plenty of cushioned loungers, and your own private bar, all with peaceful ocean views. It is the perfect spot to read, relax, or sip on a drink without the crowd. Now here's a little trivia. On most Carnival ships, spaces like this are only available if you book a suite. But with the Terrazza experience, you're getting exclusive perks starting at a fraction of the price.
And then there's 2 hot tubs, and these people aren't even using it. I think I will.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Each morning, Terrazza guests enjoy a cook-to-order breakfast in the stylish Motor Lounge, a peaceful indoor retreat just steps away from your cabin. No fighting the buffet lines, no crowds, just great service and a relaxed start to your day. Now, here's something to note. While the Terrazza area is private for most of the day, in the evenings it does open up to all guests. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for a private, elevated experience without breaking the bank, the Terrazza Interior stateroom on the Carnival Firenze is a hidden gem. It gives me the exclusivity I was craving, peaceful spaces to unwind, and a touch of luxury at sea. You can find this interior Terrazza is just a few hundred more than a standard interior, but totally worth it for the extra perks and chill atmosphere. Carnival Firenze fun facts and cruise trivia. So let's talk about ship origin and history. So originally this was the Costa Firenze, launched in 2020 as part of Costa Cruises, Carnival's Italian sister brand, and it was transferred to Carnival in 2024 as part of the Carnival Fun Italian style series. She's the second Costa ship repurposed for this series. The name Firenze is Italian for Florence, and the ship is styled after the city's elegant Renaissance vibes. Ship specs. This is considered Vista class, so a similar base structure to Carnival Vista, Carnival Horizon, and the Carnival Panorama. Passenger capacity is around 4,126 guests, and at double occupancy, it could be up to 5,245 guests maximum. The crew members is about 1,400, and comparable ship similar in size would be the Carnival Panorama, which is also home ported in Long Beach. But the Carnival Firenze has a distinct Italian flair. Smart ship features include the smart elevators, which are maybe not so smart because people don't know how to use them. But the Firenze features intelligent elevator systems where you select your deck for boarding the elevator. This reduces stops and improves traffic flow. But what causes, and this may be the most important thing in this video, what causes the disaster is that when you press your deck, you have to press it for the number of people in your party. If not, then the elevator won't know how many people are supposed to be in there, and then it gets overcrowded, it gets packed, and it throws everything off. You can check in, view dining times, shows, and schedules, and message on board without a full Wi-Fi. Italian themed experiences is unique to the Carnival Firenze. You have exclusive restaurants like Il Viaggio, which is a specialty dining venue only on Italian style Carnival ships, with regional Italian dishes from Tuscany, Sicily, and beyond. Rococo, a gorgeous Florentine-style lounge serving espresso drinks and cocktails, and the exclusive Moda Bar, which is a stylish cocktail bar inspired by Italian fashion and culture. Design and ambience. Theme decor. Throughout the ship, you'll find arches, marble columns, and murals inspired by Florentine art and architecture. So, who is this ship for? It is great for your West Coast cruisers. If you're cruising from Long Beach, California, Carnival Firenze brings something fresh and elegant to the region. If you love European culture, guess who wants to enjoy Carnival fun but with a more stylish and cultured twist? This is perfect for you. It's also perfect for couples who want a romantic Mediterranean aesthetic without flying to Europe, families and multi-generational cruisers, tons of family-friendly spaces. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful, informative. For more Carnival cruise ships, views, cabin tours, and insider tips, please check out the channel. We have a ton on here and a ton more coming.